Hey guys, welcome to Investify, where we help you grow your wealth through smart investments. Today we will discuss Warren Buffett's top 5 stocks for 2023. Warren Buffett, the mastermind of money making and the Oracle of Omaha, is back with his top 5 stock picks for 2023. Brace yourself for a roller coaster ride of financial excitement and anticipation. With Buffett's Midas touch, these stocks are like treasure chests waiting to be cracked open. Investors eagerly await his picks. It's a battle of patience and curiosity. Will he choose a secret potion for success or sprinkle some magic fairy dust on his selections? The financial world is buzzing with excitement, ready to follow in the footsteps of the legendary investor. Get ready to witness the unveiling of Buffett's 2023 stock market extravaganza. So, without further ado, let's begin the countdown and discover the stocks that have captured Buffett's attention for the year ahead. Buffett's 5th largest holding. Hold your credit cards tight because American Express has made its way into Buffett's top 5 holdings. Since 1994, Buffett has been holding onto American Express like it's the last available table at a fancy restaurant. He paid $1.3 billion for it back then. And now it's worth a jaw-dropping $20 billion. Talk about a return on investment. American Express is one of the big shots in the card provider world, alongside Visa and MasterCard. They make money from consumers and commercial credit cards, international transactions, and those sneaky merchant fees. Plus, rumor has it that American Express cards come with a secret power to make your wallet feel heavier. But don't rush to swipe just yet. Do your research before diving into the financial adventure. Buffett's 4th largest holding. Next up in line of Buffett's top holdings, we have CocaCola, making its fizz-filled appearance at 7.57% of the portfolio. The classic Buffett stock. You've probably caught him sipping on the elixir of life itself, Coca-Cola, multiple times. Rumor has it he guzzles down 5 cans a day. Talk about dedication! Buffett first quenched his thirst for Coca-Cola in 1988, right after the stock market crashed at 1987. He seized the opportunity when the stock price took a 25% plunge. This marked the beginning of his famous approach, investing in wonderful businesses with big, fat moats at reasonable prices. Over the years, Buffett continued adding to his position, and today, his $1.3 billion investment has blossomed into a refreshing $22 billion. And that's not even counting dividends. The secret behind Coca-Cola's enduring success? Its colossal brand moat. When given a range of beverage choices, most people still opt for the beloved Coke, allowing the company to steadily increase sales volumes and prices. Even in the face of inflation, Coke managed to raise prices and see sales soar. While Simply Wall Street's analysis suggests that Coca-Cola is fully valued, trading at an industry-standard PE ratio, it remains an intriguing Buffett stock worthy of further exploration. Cheers to the bubbly world of investments. Buffett's 3rd largest holding. Now let's dive into Buffett's 3rd largest holding in 2023, Chevron. As the 7th largest oil company in the world by revenue, Chevron joined the Berkshire portfolio relatively recently. Buffett began acquiring Chevron shares in Q3 of 2020. But it was in Q1 of 2022 that he made a significant move, purchasing an additional 121 million shares. This catapulted Chevron to become one of Berkshire's top holdings. While I'm no oil stock expert, it seems that Buffett's approach here is straightforward. He's holding onto a high-quality business purchase at a fair price. Back in 2007, Buffett himself mentioned that their investment in an oil stock is based on the value it offers, not a prediction of oil price movements. Interestingly, the world has seen a constrained oil supply and increased demand since Buffett's investment in Chevron and Occidental, which has maintained elevated oil prices. However, it's important to note that oil price fluctuations aren't the primary driving factor of Buffett's investment decisions. Unlike companies with strong moats, Chevron's performance is closely tied to the price of the oil. as it operates in the commodity sector. Nevertheless, this position has proven success for Buffett, with Chevron stock reaching all-time highs. Oil may not be a perfect fit for the Buffett formula, but hey, sometimes you strike black gold when you least expect it. Buffett's second largest holding. Moving on to Buffett's second largest holding, you guessed it right, Bank of America. This financial powerhouse commands a significant 10.3% of the Berkshire portfolio. Buffett initially entered the Bank of America since 2011, but it solidified its position in the top 10 holdings after Q3 of 2017, when he exercised his stock's warrants, allowing him to acquire a massive 700 million shares at a bargain price of 7.14 cents per share. Today, that position has skyrocketed to over a billion shares, valued at an impressive $30 billion. While I must confess that I'm no expert in the world of bank stocks, Warren Buffett certainly is. The lesson here is to stick to what you know best. When others were concerned about Bank of America's capital needs and the aftermath of the financial crisis, Buffett saw an opportunity. It's often during times of uncertainty that the greatest long-term opportunities can rise, especially if you possess a deep understanding of the business and industry. Looking at simply Wall Street's analysis, Bank of America's price-to-earnings ratio is slightly lower than its peers, though its earning growth may be more modest. The discounted cash flow model also suggests that further research could be worthwhile. If banks catch your attention, it's worth diving deeper into Bank of America. And now we're on the verge of revealing the top holding in Buffett's portfolio. Stay tuned. Warren Buffett's first largest holding for 2023. Warren Buffett's first largest holding is Apple, which occupies a substantial 41% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. He first invested in Apple in 2016, purchasing 39 million shares. Over time, Buffett increased his stake, buying 950 million more shares for a total investment of $36 billion. This decision proved to be highly profitable, as the investment has grown to a staggering $120 billion. Despite a recent 30% drop in Apple stock, its value has now returned to a more reasonable level. Investors are now closely watching Buffett's next move with the position. According to Simple Wall Street, Apple is currently trading at their fair value. It remains to be seen how Buffett will navigate the future of his prominent holding. That wraps up Warren Buffett's top 5 largest position for 2023. Are you an investor who loves Warren Buffett? If so, which one of these holdings aligns best with your own investment style? Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below about Warren Buffett's top holdings and engage in a discussion with other investors. Remember, it's always fascinating to see different perspectives and strategies in the world of investing. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell for more updates here on Investify.